We often get the question about how machine as a service differs from a traditional equipment lease. In the case of an equipment lease, you're essentially renting the equipment. You're paying for it as an operating expense on a monthly basis or a time basis. That's the fundamental difference, is with machine as a service, you're not paying for it based on time, you're paying for it based on provable outcome. So where a traditional lease is really an obligation to make a rental or lease payment on a monthly basis, machine as a service links that directly to the outcome that's achieved on that asset. So if you do have an underperforming asset, it will cost you less. You will not be paying for the units that you're not receiving. And it really changes the relationship of risk and who has obligations and financial incentives to help you achieve the financial performance you're looking for out of that asset.